Hello and welcome to Learn English with Anas. Today we're going to talk about future simple and going to future. Future is used to express actions that did not happen yet. That's why we call them future. There are two types of future that we will introduce in this video. Let's start with the formulation first of future simple. The formulation of future simple is will plus the infinitive. We will talk about two main usages. The first one is to express future actions decided at the moment of speaking. Examples: someone says, "I can't carry this bag." And you say, "I'll help you." Someone says, "I'm thirsty." And you say, "I'll get you a cup of water." The second usage is to express possibility in the future. And in this type, we usually use expressions of possibility. Examples: it will probably rain tonight. I think United will win. I hope she will catch the bus. I will talk now about the negative and interrogative forms of future simple. Let's start with the negative form. Let's start with the formulation. Will, not, infinitive. Examples: I hope she won't be late. And now let's move to interrogative or question form. For yes or no questions, will, subject, infinitive. As for example, will you come tonight? The answer is yes, I'll come. No, I won't. Another example: will she call you today? Yes, she will, or no, she won't. And now let's move to question words, which they usually answer questions that are searching for specific details. We use the question word first, then will, then the subject, and finally infinitive. Example: what will you do tonight? And now, going to future. Going to has two main usages. Let's start with the first one, expressing something certain to happen in the future. Examples: look at the clouds. It is going to rain. She studied very well. She's going to pass the exam. Usage number two, expressing future plans decided before the time of speaking. Examples: I'm going to visit you next Friday. I know you want to eat pizza. I'm going to buy you one. These plans were decided before the time of speaking, and in this case, we use going to future. Going to future. For the negative formulation, we use verb to be, not, going to, infinitive. Example: she's not going to come at 6 o'clock. I'm sorry, I'm not going to visit you on Friday. I have other plans. Look at the sky. It is not going to rain. And for yes or no question formulation, we start with verb to be, going to, infinitive. As for example, are you going to visit me next Friday? No, I'm not. Is it going to rain today? Is she going to pass the exam? And for question words with going to future, the formulation is a question word, verb to be, going to, infinitive. Example: what is she going to do at 6 o'clock? When are you going to visit me? Thanks for watching and stay tuned for new videos about grammar. Bye.